Hi everyone, thank you all for joining me for another quest. Today we're going to be doing a waterfall quest. There are no skill or quest requirements, and the only items needed are 6 air runes, 6 earth runes, 6 water runes, and 1 rope. Recommended items are Ring of Wealth if you've done the Tree Gnome Village, and if you haven't, you could also just use a Ring of Dueling and teleport to Castle Wars and run to the maze from there. A games necklace and a skills necklace. Also bring some low-level food like tuna or trout because there are some moss giants and goblins that can attack you. Also, don't bring armor and weapons because they could just get in your way. And lastly, bring 1 or 2 stamina potions. Alright, let's get started. Best ways to get here is using a games necklace and just running south, or a skills necklace and just running north. We'll start by talking to Amira and choosing option 1, how can I help? And just go through the dialogue. Next, we'll just run west and board this raft, this log raft. From here, just wait a little bit until your character starts talking to Hudon, this little boy. Go through the dialogue, then just go south a little bit and click on the water just right next to you. And this should take you to a house. All right. From here, go to the house just west of you. Go to the house and we'll just go upstairs. All right, open the door, go upstairs. Here, we're gonna search the southern bookcase. You should get a book called Book of Backstorium. Open it. All right, we can close it. From here, you can either teleport to Castle Wars if you haven't done the Tree Gnome Village quest, or you could just teleport to the Grand Exchange and use the Grand Tree. Grand Exchange, teleport. If you're in Castle Wars, just start running towards the maze in Tree Gnome Village. That's where we're heading. From here, we're gonna use this exclamation point, the red exclamation point on the mini map. We're gonna go down there. Now, if you're low level, be very careful because as soon as we go down, there are things that can attack you, like hobgoblins. So you could either turn on your prayer or just get ready to eat. We're gonna go down and run northeast. All right, let's go down. Go northeast, and we're gonna search this odd-looking search crate, and we should find the key. Once we find the key, let's run back south, and we'll go the other way. All right, go northwest. Once we're here, use the key on the door to open it. Then talk with Golry. Go through the dialogue, and he should give you a pebble in exchange for the key. Next, let's use our skills necklace and teleport to the fishing guild. We're going to the Glarial tomb, and you can't bring weapon and armor there, so I hope you didn't bring any, because they're just gonna get in the way. Alright, from here we're just gonna drop our runes, because we can't bring them in either. Use the Glario Pebble on the tombstone, and it should take you downstairs. From here, we're gonna run west. Oh, geez, a whole 12. Dang it. All right, search it. Wear the Glarios amulet and run. Go back to the middle and then run south. Here we should find the tomb. Search the tomb, and we should find the Glarios urn. Now we can get out of here and pick up our runes. Let's go back upstairs where we came from. All right, let's pick up our runes and go a little bit northwest where we started this quest. We're gonna go back to the house where the raft was. Make sure you have your Glario amulet on. All right, let's go aboard that raft. All right, from here, make sure you use your rope. Click on your rope and use it on that rock. Very good. And again, use your rope and use it on the dead tree. All right, once we're here, make sure you have your Glario amulet on, or else you're gonna fall out. You won't be able to go inside the door. All right, let's go inside. Again, we're gonna run northeast. We're gonna search this most northern crate right here, and we should get another key. Once we have the key, let's get out of here and go the other way again. Go in the western corner, open this door, and let's go through the other door. All right, let's use our key on this door. Open it. Now from here, we're gonna use one rune for every pillar. So this pillar is gonna get one water, one earth, and one air, and the same for each and every one of them. All right, so let's go do that. Boom, boom, boom. We're almost done with our quest. All right, once we used up all our runes on the pillars, what we're gonna want to do is take off our Glarios amulet, use our Glarios amulet on the western statue, next right click on this urn, use it, and use it on the chalice in the middle. And there you go. Congratulations. You've finished the WaterFall quest. Thank you all for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment or a like if it was.